What's something people don't know about estate planning? Ladybird deeds could be the hidden gem you need. A ladybird deed, also called an enhanced life estate deed, is like magic for homeowners. It lets you transfer your property upon death without going through probate. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, there's more. With a ladybird deed, you stay in control. You can sell, mortgage, or even revoke the deed while you're alive. No need for anyone else to sign off. Plus, it can save your heirs tons of time and money by avoiding probate. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Got questions about Medicaid eligibility or dealing with multiple remainder beneficiaries? That's where it gets a bit tricky. Consulting an attorney is a smart move. Call Great Lakes Family Probate and Estates today at 888-554-5373 to speak with one of our attorneys. Or visit us online at glfpe.com. Your peace of mind is just a call or click away.